Hello friends, I am Samar Singhania. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video we are going to review this Avita Essential 14-inch laptop. So without wasting any time, let's get started. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं गाइस इसके फिज़िकल ओवरव्यू से। तो जैसा कि मैंने इसे हाथ में पकड़ा हुआ है तो काफ़ी लाइट वेट है और इसका सामने है अवीटा की ब्रांडिंग। दिस इज LED इंडिकेटर, दीज आर द हिंजेस और इसका फैब्रिक क्लॉथ डिज़ाइन है जो अवीटा से बुलाता है। एंड दिस साइड नथिंग these are the edges to open the laptop and it's a 14-inch and this are the ports. Let's look around. This is the headphone jack and this is the USB port, micro SD, and I have installed already a micro SD card, and this is the HDMI port. Then you can connect it to with your television or anything else, projector. This is the another USB port and this is the power cord port. So let's open this. 1 2 3. Okay, this is the keyboard, trackpad, and the palm rest. Is the mic and the camera, and this is the power button, and this is the 14-inch screen, full HD screen. It has the keyboard is also of the good quality, and trackpad is also effective, and of the large trackpad. Some laptops has not like this, and the 14-inch screen to body ratio of the screen is very nice, and the hinges are also very smooth. There's no problem opening and closing the screen. Let's start it. The LED is indicating. Avita, and these are the stereo speakers of the laptop, and it has the Intel Celeron 4000 processor. These are some information written in the back of laptop, and it's the made in China product, and the link in is description if you want to buy this laptop from Amazon. And the model number is Avita Essential Notebook PC, and the manufacturing code February 2021, HDMI 12 volt 2.0 ampere. And with this laptop you will get this charger, this type of charger. It will be removed also. It is removable. You can insert it like that. And you will get a little bag with this, then you can put it inside the bag. And in the box you will also get the cloth that will be put here, the cloth will avoid the dust and particles, that keeps the laptop clean. This type of interface you will get first time. let me show you some features of this PC. And the Windows 10 and S mode, you can disable Windows S mode also. Then you can install third-party apps like external browser, this type of Windows startup. Here are the properties of the window and system. You can see I have installed a microSD card of 32 GB, 4 GB RAM, 64-bit operating system, Avita NE14A2, Intel Celeron N4000 CPU, 1.10 GHz that can boost up to 2.6 GHz. You will get original Windows 10 Home Edition. 128 GB SSD, solid state drive that is faster than HDD hard disk drive. It is the benefit of that laptop.
What is that?
Let's play the GTA San Andreas game in this PC. I hope this is going good, and I've already played it. It's not lagging, but you can play it in the low settings. Let me open the camera of this laptop, guys. Here it is. It has time HDR Pro timer 2 second 5 10. Let's go in the second settings. Pro mode. It has Pro mode, framing rate option, rule of thread golden ratio crosshair square. It has 3.1 megapixel quality, 20481536 resolution, and time lapse. It has a very rare feature in the PCs that are giving time lapse and 60 Hz flicker reduction, 1080p pixel video recording, and much more. So it's a very good feature video. Yeah guys, it has a good quality and I have already used it, so it has no problem in it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon after it. Like the video and share the video. Bye. See you in the next video, guys.